I think Fermanagh might pay. Look, if we make a case for them, look, 2018 wasn't that long ago. We've already touched on there's no players remaining, so I don't think any of them players have got a feel for beating Armagh. But what they have is the manager, Declan Bonner and Paul Brannan, who have beaten Armagh on more than one occasion. So no
love lost there.
There's no love lost there. Declan Bonner seems to have, he's won everywhere he's went. He's won medals. He's won championships. Look, they've still got a bit of talent. Oisin Kellan, bit of pace. Garvin Jones still floating about. Look, they've lost a lot of quality, and Declan Bonner hasn't been too shy in admitting that. It's at home for a start, so I think being at home, having Declan Bonner and Paul Brannan with the experience, they're going to be relaying certain messages to that team. They need Armagh to be off the game. They need Armagh to have another off day like they done against Tyrone. They need to take it down the stretch, and hopefully Brewster can
ignite something for them.
Something, and hopefully Armagh. Sorry, I'll change that. Fermanagh will hope that Armagh do feel the pace of it. Maybe feel the nerves kick in if it goes down the stretch. But I think that's all I have really.